All right, guys, so today I'm going to peel back the cover a little bit and I'm gonna get a little personal with you. And I'm gonna share with you 5 ways in which I make money. So if you're really nosy, be sure to stay tuned. What is up? My name is Chris. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to take control of your life with an online business, this is the channel for you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, tick the bell icon next to it so you don't miss anything. So before we get into this, let me just get into a couple of things. Number one, I'm not bragging or gloating or anything like that. I'm really just trying to point out that there are many ways in which you can make money that doesn't always require you to have a 9-to-5 day job. Another thing is that I didn't build up these income streams all at once. It takes time, it takes effort. It's not like Monday I worked on this, Tuesday I worked on this, Wednesday I worked on this. Some of these income streams take weeks, months, and even a couple of them had taken years in order to build up. And then third, remember that the big reason that you want to create multiple income streams is because if one of those income streams were to disappear, then you at least have the other ones to kind of prop you up until you can find a way to make more income. So it's a great way to insulate yourself and add some stability to your income and to your life. And none of them are really particularly difficult to do. It just takes a little bit of stick-to-itiveness and a little determination, and really just doing what I always suggest is taking control of your life. So now that we have all of that out the way, let's go ahead and jump into number 1, advertisements with YouTube and blogging. How YouTubers and bloggers make money really is kind of out there. A lot of people don't necessarily know exactly how it's done. And really when it comes to subscribers, that really makes very little difference with how much income you make. I don't make a certain amount of income just because I have X number of subscribers. A more important metric to keep track of would be your views per video and whether or not your YouTube channel is monetized. Now there are strict guidelines that you need to follow in order to keep and maintain your videos being monetized on YouTube. A couple of them would be making sure that you have at least 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of watch time in a calendar year. But the cool thing is once you kind of push through that hardship and you reach those goals, then the income really starts to pile up the more that you create. So when you watch a YouTube video, every so often you're going to be presented with an advertisement. That advertisement can really show up, as a banner at the bottom, as one of the videos on the side over there, or it can even be a short ad that's right in front of the video, or even the more annoying ones that are like right in the middle of a video. If you were to watch a certain percentage of those videos, then the advertiser who paid YouTube to place that ad there, then you as the creator get 50% of whatever it is that they spend. So if an advertiser, spent 10 cents in order to place this particular ad in front of you, who are the viewers, then if you were to click on that particular advertisement, then I would make 5 cents and YouTube would make 5 cents. And I know 5 cents doesn't seem like that much money, but when you start to add it up over, hundreds of views to thousands of views, or maybe even millions of views, you can kind of see how that can add up quickly. Now, even though advertising on YouTube or on blogs is not necessarily my favorite way to make money, it is definitely one of the easiest ways because you don't have to work very hard for it. It's truly passive because the YouTube channel or your blog, as it's getting traffic 24 hours a day, you're getting paid 24 hours a day. And then there's nothing better than free money. So the number 2 way in which I make money would be with affiliate marketing. Now, no doubt affiliate marketing is my bread and butter. It's how I got into this business. It's how I had the idea, creating an income outside of a 9-to-5 job was even possible. So I definitely recommend it for anyone who is getting started and wanting to do this. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically having products that you have used, products that you believe in, and then promoting it to other people. And if they were to make the purchase based on your recommendation, you are going to get paid a commission. It's no doubt by far one of the best business models that you can possibly do, really ever. And the reason for that is, if you worked for a company, maybe at like an hourly rate, like you made, $10 an hour or something, and you somehow, was able to drive $10,000 worth of business to the company that you worked for, at the end of the day, you're not going to get a cut of that $10,000. You're really just going to get that $10 an hour you worked that day. But affiliate marketing is a little different because you, as the affiliate marketer, is going to partner up with that company. So then if you were to drive $10,000 worth of income to that company, you can get paid 30, 40, or maybe even 50% commission because the company would not have gotten the income anyway without you. So you bring the business into the company and then the company pays you the commission. It's really just that simple. Another great reason that affiliate marketing is so amazing is that you don't have to deal with returns or angry customers or anything of that nature because the company is the one that has to deal with it. You simply referred the customer to the place and they actually purchased it. You don't have to create anything. You don't have to own anything. You just refer and take the income. To be honest, it really doesn't get much better than that. Another cool thing about affiliate marketing is the fact that it's highly scalable, which means if you can sell 1, you can sell 10. If you can sell 10, you can sell 100. If you can sell 100, you can sell 1,000. You're really only going to be limited by your imagination. There's no ceiling to the amount of money that you can make. In fact, if you want to learn my bread and butter, the way that I got into the business, then be sure to go check out benjisdad.com. That's benjisdad.com. I have a free video series that literally will walk you through step by step how I got started and what you can do to really start this type of life on your own. And the great part is I'm going to help you with it. I'll be your coach and mentor if you do decide to join up. It is 100% free to join. You don't even need a credit card. So, there's really no excuse to at least give it a try. So be sure to go check it out over at benjisdad.com. And I'll be sure to send you a message the second that I see that you're on the inside. So be sure to go check it out, benjisdad.com. The number 3 way that I make money is with investments. Now, a lot of the investments that I have are outside of the online landscape. And it's very important to have income coming in offline as well, because it can further sustain you. Now, the internet isn't going anywhere, so I'm not saying that, building your own online business isn't safe. However, it's always wise to just cover all of your bases, especially if you're an entrepreneur. So some of the investments that I am involved in include rental property, 401k, Roth IRAs, some stocks, mutual funds, high yield savings accounts. One of my favorite online banks is ally.com. They definitely pay you, I think at the time of this recording, around 2.2% on any money that you have in a savings account, which is kind of crazy, but they do offer that. And I'm not affiliated with them or anything, just giving you a bit of advice. Don't have your money in a regular checking or savings account. Put it into a high yield savings account, at one of these online banks. The one I recommend at least is ally.com. That's ALLY. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description. I also have some silent business partner type deals where I have invested in other companies and I don't really have much say in it, but I trust the people that run it. And then I kind of get a kickback each month based on how much money that they earn in the month's time. So again, another investment type income stream that I'm able to take advantage of that is offline. Bottom line is once you start to accrue a little bit of extra income and you're kind of padding your bank account, you'd want to make that money make more money for you, right? And that's really passive income as well. In fact, a few people that I follow online, definitely some YouTubers that I suggest you go check out would be Jeff Rose over at Wealth Hackers, Graham Stephan, Ryan Scribner, Jaspreet Singh over at The Minority Mindset. These are some really good guys to follow. They can tell you exactly how you can invest your money, what they've done, and how you can really kind of replicate the process and get multiple income streams coming in passively. I'll be sure to link each one of those guys down below as well. The number 4 way in which I make money is with consulting. Now, consulting is not really a big chunk of income for me because it does take a lot of time, but it is rather lucrative if you do have the time. So I offer consulting services that help you start an online business, help you start a blog, help you start a YouTube channel, and not just start those businesses, but get the maximum amount of money you possibly can from those types of income streams. And honestly, a big reason why I do continue to do it is that I do enjoy helping people. There's nothing cooler than helping somebody and getting them to the point to where they are self-sustained themselves. And sometimes, if they do work it right, they end up doing better than me. And that's kind of the way I like it, because it shows that I'm helping out and the advice that I am giving is really helpful. But with all of that said, consulting is not cheap. It's not very cost effective at all. In fact, most of the time, my consulting calls can be anywhere from $200 to $300 per hour, But some people really do enjoy getting that nice one-on-one. I can look at your particular situation and really recommend the best things for you to do at that point in time to really grow and scale your business. So I do recommend it. And if you would like to take advantage of my consulting services, I'll be sure to also put a link down in the description so that you can go check it out as well. The number 5 way in which I earn income is through freelancing. Now, when I first got started, I did a little bit of freelancing really to get money quickly, because the cool thing about freelancing is that you do the job and then you get paid. So to anyone, I highly suggest learning some type of high income skill. One thing that I was doing in particular was that I was writing blog articles, as a ghostwriter for different websites. I would also build websites for local companies. The cool thing is, because you are going to companies that already have money, when you are doing freelancing work on places like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com, which is one of my favorites, you're dealing with other business owners who already have the capital to invest in doing something that's going to take less time for them. And the cool thing is, you don't have to be limited to writing articles or building websites. That was just what I did. You can do something like accounting if you're good with numbers, proofreading, graphic design, video editing, becoming a virtual assistant. Really, any kind of skill that you have, you can turn it into income online by just simply selling your services. There are plenty of people who are making full-time incomes just from doing that. Or you can do like I did, is I would do those jobs, I would make the money, then I would take that money and invest it into a business. So now I have an asset that constantly pays me based on the seed money that I made from freelancing. Now, I know I said I had 5, but my number 6 thing that I would like to do come this year is to start creating and selling my own products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find things that I'm good at, things that I've been successful with, and then turn them into online courses that people can purchase at any time of the day. And it could be anything. It could be how to blog effectively, how to start your own YouTube channel effectively, and really make the maximum amount of money you can from those endeavors. And a big reason why I want to look into creating my own product is because it does help not having to be dependent on the affiliate program of a company. An example of this would be like Amazon. Now, Amazon is a great place to start a business with a niche site, but the thing is, Amazon can change their affiliate structure at any time. They did so a couple of years ago, and some people's income literally tanked overnight. However, if you have your own program, then you don't have to worry about that, because you know how much your program is, how much you're selling it for, and you're going to get the full income from each sale, minus your expenses. Now, the chances of a lot of these affiliate programs changing their affiliate structures, they're pretty slim. It's few and far between. But again, when you are depending on money coming from your online business or coming from a business in general, it is wise to cover all your bases, fill up any holes that you can see that will leave you broke. So that is definitely one thing that I am looking forward to implementing this year. So stay tuned. If you have any good ideas of the kind of courses you think you'd be able to benefit from, be sure to let me know down in the comments. So I throw it now onto you. What streams of income do you have outside of your day job? Let me know down in the comments below so that we can share this knowledge with everyone who watches the video, and that they'll be able to, create more and more income streams, further insulating and padding our bank accounts. So if you haven't already, please smash that like button if you found some value in this video, as well as share it with at least one person who you think can find some value in it as well. And if you want to take control of your life with an online business, be sure to hit that subscribe button that should pop up about right here. Check out the latest video on the channel, which should be about right there. And I will catch you all later. Into this, so before we jump, so consider it. It is a great money to make. It's a great money. With affiliate marketing.